Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence or AI, a technological revolution shaping our lives. It's not just a buzzword that tech enthusiasts throw around, it's a tangible, transformative force that is redefining the way we live, work, and interact. At its core, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. Think of it as teaching a computer how to learn, reason, perceive, infer, communicate, and make decisions just like a human would. There are two main types of AI, narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, such as voice recognition. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are all examples of narrow AI. They're smart, but only within their specific domain. On the other hand, general AI can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a broad range of tasks, much like a human. It's the kind of AI you see in science fiction movies, but we're not quite there yet in real life. AI is already all around us, often working behind the scenes in ways we might not realize. When you ask Siri to set a reminder, that's AI. When Netflix recommends a movie you might like, that's AI too. Even when your email filters out spam, it's using AI. In essence, artificial intelligence is a game changer, a technological marvel that's transforming industries, enhancing our productivity, and making our lives more convenient. It's more than just robots and computers. It's a new way of thinking about what's possible in the world of technology. So that's the basics of AI, a technology that's more involved in our lives than we often realize. As we peel back the layers and delve deeper into this topic, we'll discover how AI is not only revolutionizing our present, but also shaping our future. The journey into the realm of AI is a thrilling ride, and we're just getting started. Artificial intelligence is redefining the landscape of automation. In the world of robotics, AI is the unseen hand, guiding precise movements, enabling decision-making, and even learning from past actions to improve future performance. Manufacturing plants worldwide are embracing AI, leveraging its power for quality control, predictive maintenance, and increased overall efficiency. In the realm of logistics, AI-driven automation is optimizing routes, managing inventories, and ensuring timely deliveries. But these are not just theoretical applications. Companies across the globe are reaping the benefits of AI-driven automation. Take, for example, the multinational conglomerate, which saw a significant boost in production efficiency after implementing AI in its manufacturing processes. Or the global logistics company that cut down its delivery times by a whopping 20%, thanks to AI. These success stories are testament to the transformative power of AI in automation. Indeed, AI is the driving force behind the next generation of automation. Healthcare is one of the sectors where AI is making a significant impact. Imagine a world where doctors can predict and prevent diseases before they occur. With AI, this is becoming a reality. Artificial intelligence is playing a crucial role in medical diagnosis and treatment. It's helping doctors to interpret medical images with greater accuracy, resulting in earlier and more precise diagnoses. Beyond diagnostics, AI is revolutionizing drug discovery. It's helping scientists to develop new medicines faster, more efficiently, and at a lower cost. For instance, AI algorithms can analyze vast databases of molecular structures, identifying potential compounds for new drugs in a fraction of the time it would take humans. Furthermore, AI is paving the way for personalized medicine, tailoring treatment plans to an individual's unique genetic makeup. This means more effective treatments, fewer side effects, and ultimately, better patient outcomes. AI thus holds the promise of transforming healthcare and saving countless lives. AI is a game changer in the field of business intelligence. Think of AI as a sharp business analyst who never sleeps. It's relentlessly sifting through mountains of data, spotting patterns and unearthing insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. This real-time analysis is invaluable for businesses to make informed decisions swiftly and accurately. AI's prowess extends even further into the realm of predictive analytics. It's like having a crystal ball that, instead of vague hunches, offers data-driven predictions. These predictions help businesses anticipate market trends, customer behaviors, and potential risks, enabling them to strategize effectively for the future. Moreover, AI's decision-making abilities are transforming the business landscape. It's not just about automating routine tasks. AI can propose solutions for complex problems, taking into account a multitude of variables and outcomes. This leads to faster, smarter decisions that drive innovation and competitiveness. Businesses, therefore, are harnessing the power of AI to stay competitive and innovative. AI has also revolutionized the way we interact with machines through natural language processing. But what is natural language processing, or NLP for short? It's an area of AI that focuses on the interaction between humans and computers using natural language. The ultimate goal: to read, decipher, understand, and make sense of human language in a valuable way. Let's take a look at some applications of NLP. Ever marveled at how your smartphone can accurately transcribe your voice into text? Or how you can ask a virtual assistant to play your favorite song or predict the weather? That's NLP in action. NLP is also the brains behind AI-powered language translation services, breaking down language barriers by enabling real-time translation of written and spoken words. And how about the chatbots that offer customer support, book appointments, or even make restaurant recommendations? They're all powered by NLP. NLP is indeed shaping the future of communication, bringing us closer to machines. Let's delve into another intriguing aspect of AI: computer vision. This fascinating field is all about empowering machines to see, interpret, and understand the visual world around them, much like we humans do. When we think of vision, we often take for granted how complex the process truly is. It's not just about recognizing shapes and colors, but understanding context, perspective, and even predicting future actions based on visual cues. Now imagine teaching a machine to do all that. That's the challenge of computer vision. So how does AI come into play? Here's the key. AI, specifically machine learning, aids in teaching computers how to process images and videos. It's like teaching a child to recognize objects. You show them many examples until they learn to identify and categorize what they see. Similarly, we feed computers thousands if not millions of images until they learn to identify patterns and features. AI-powered computer vision applications are already part of our everyday lives. Think of social media platforms that tag your friends in photos. That's facial recognition at work, a subset of computer vision. Or consider the filters that add dog ears or a rainbow halo to your selfies. These are fun examples of augmented reality, another area where computer vision shines. Beyond these, computer vision is also making strides in critical areas like healthcare, where it aids in detecting diseases from medical images, and in autonomous vehicles, where it helps in understanding the vehicle's surroundings. But it's not all rosy. Like with any technology, there are ethical considerations too. Remember the facial recognition we talked about? It's also used in surveillance systems, which raises privacy concerns. It's a delicate balance that we must navigate as we continue to explore the potentials of this technology. Computer vision, thus, is another remarkable AI application, helping machines perceive the world as we do. AI is also personalizing our digital experiences like never before. It's like having a digital companion that knows your preferences, making your interactions with technology more intuitive and enjoyable. One of the most common ways we experience this is through recommendation systems. Consider the movies and series suggested to you on streaming platforms, or the "you might also like" section of your favorite online stores. These are not random suggestions, but the result of complex AI algorithms analyzing your behavior and preferences. The same goes for the social media feeds that seem to always show you just what you're interested in. This is AI at work, learning from your likes, shares, and even the time you spend viewing a post. These personalizations are not just about convenience. They also help businesses provide better service and help us discover new interests and experiences. Personalized AI-driven content, therefore, is making our digital experiences more engaging and enjoyable. So, we've taken a whirlwind tour of the vast capabilities of AI. From the core concepts to its transformative impact, it's clear that AI is reshaping our world. We've seen how it's revolutionizing automation, making processes more efficient and precise. In healthcare, AI is not just a concept, but a powerful tool that's transforming patient care and outcomes. In the realm of business intelligence, AI is providing invaluable insights, aiding in predictive analytics and decision-making. And let's not forget its role in natural language processing and computer vision, areas that are redefining our interaction with technology. Personalization is another field where AI shines, tailoring user experiences in entertainment, e-commerce, and social media. It's an exciting era of AI-driven innovation. So keep those gears turning, keep questioning, keep learning. Stay curious and continue exploring the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of AI's capabilities. Your engagement helps us grow, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments. Stay tuned for more insights into the advancements and emerging trends in AI.